The past.
So
But then,
I can do some pretty. You can do some pretty high, like really high damage to your opponent if you use this style.
Binigay mo yun eh. Alam mo yun, kahit hindi
Right?
naman minsan inisip hindi mo nila
Rolls
deserve.
around her.
But also don't forget na you as a person, you also have to set your own boundaries.
Look, I
too,
can deal
diba?
some pretty good damage.
And slowly,
I'm just
yung
using
process of healing, huwag mong
defensive and
i-rush yun,
defensive
diba?
strategies.
Super important.
See, look at the
Yung
damage.
hatred ko sa dad ko, hindi naman
Look
siya
at that
yung
damage.
sobrang laki na kaya niyang
It's
takpan
pretty
lahat ng
high.
pagmamahal.
Like
Still love my
really
dad.
high.
Oo naman. Siyempre, tatay
Okay.
mo yun eh.
We're gonna just
Of course.
fight. It's okay even I lose.
Ito naman, easy.
I'm Larky.
Wala pang masyado alam sa'yo.
So this guy is using switch it.
I've been with
I
him
don't
for
care.
2 years already. Pero sobrang rough road and toxic. Very, very toxic. The whole process
See,
of
look at the
me
damage.
auditioning for PBB.
See?
Ayaw niya.
Look at that
He
damage.
wasn't supportive of me.
That's why basic is super
So, I had to
strong.
choose.
So for
Nagulat ako sa
beginners,
dati.
I recommend using this.
And kasi akala ko talaga
Look at that
wala na,
damage.
as in,
You haven't even hit
done na.
me yet.
Ngayon na lang, the problem is with me.
See, look at that damage.
Gusto ko pa ba or hindi?
Bago ka pumasok, parehas kayo nag-decide na break, ganun.
He broke up with me kasi hindi niya kaya. And then, nakipagkita siya after my birthday
See?
for closure and to see me one last time daw.
Obviously, hindi ko naman kilala din yung guy.
Look.
Ako,
You haven't even damaged me yet. Look at that.
No, don't rush
I
anything.
really love this
Huwag
style.
kang
Like
mag-decide, huwag kang
really,
ma-pressure kasi
because I know how to use it.
bago ka pumasok. So,
Like this.
may klaro namang doon. Don't feel guilty na you don't feel the same way or whatever kasi there was closure naman before you entered, and even if stuff aren't clear, it doesn't really affect the situation kasi nag-break na kayo. So right now, kung saan ka, ikaw, mentally and everything, take it day by day, you know?
The only thing I don't like about this is nothing.
Sobrang naging
Nah,
emotional.
I'm
Kasi
joking.
siyempre,
The only thing
emotional
that I
naman
don't
siya.
like this style is the ultimate. It's look pretty boring, but it's okay for me.
Thanks for your wisdom, Donnie.
Doesn't affect.
Sobrang gaan mo
It's just boring.
You know, right? That's our man. Proud ko yung mga supporters mo sa'yo, Don. Like, super.
Naalala ko yung
Yeah,
sa
I
Cebu.
can faint.
Tinatawag ka na, I think that was your handler
Oh.
or I forgot. Pero as in, hinihila ka na talaga.
Grabe ka sa Cebu.
Pero you were like, gumanon ka tapos kinuha mo yung phone ko. Nakita ko, kamay ko lang, as in kamay ko lang yung nakita.
Kunyari, selfie. Selfie tayo. Kunyari, selfie tayo.
Tama naman. Tama naman.
Yeah, I done. Bro, how?
Maya-maya pa, muli na
How
naman
did he
natin
lose?
ang hudya.
Boss planning to run right now.
Will.
Isa po kasi din si Will sa mga lagi namin nakakausap ni Josh. And alam po namin, kuya, na malaking tinik po yung mabubunot sa kanya and kakalma po yung utak niya, kuya. Kapag po nabasa niya po yung letter ng mom niya.
Last one with Zoe.
Nice.
Yeah.
Last one. Yep.
It's gonna be.
Last one. Last one.
Bro, look at that solid damage.
Make as much as we can.
Like, I don't know how to use legendaries. The only legendary that I know to use is Kronos. That's the only style.
Will.
Like, really, that's the only style that I know to use.
Nice. Hindi po masyado nakaka-shoot yung teammates ko. Okay lang naman po. Kasi alam ko
Even White Ash, I didn't even know how to use that.
Napulsa ng boys ang pag-shoot at halos nagsunod-sunod nang
Even though I have it.
Kung ang starters hirap sa simula, ang bench players maingat agad sa pag-shoot ng bola.
John Dodo.
Ganda eh.
Sobrang deserve po talaga ni Will na mabasa yung message niya.
Oh,
Kasi
na.
po parang naging kadugo ko siya. Tapos yun talaga yung parang gusto niyang matanggap po nung nasa third week mo
He's
kami
gonna,
dito kuya.
he's gonna
Parang
lose.
sinasabi niya po sa
Like,
akin na
really.
gusto niya munang lumabas muna para lang i-hug yung parents niya, i-hug yung mom niya. More.
Player pare.
Sarap mainit. Bakak pa yung blaga.
Sobrang na-excite po ako, pero bigla pong lumabas din syempre yung kaba ko. Iniisip ko po kung ano po yung magiging laman ng letter po na yun.
Kaya mo yan ba?
Yeah, about him. Niji is my guy. You're good.